Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the 3D motion function on the Motionleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone. Slide to the right side of the screen down below till you find the 3D motion button and apply one that you find interesting. And after selecting the relevant one, you can adjust it by the help of the slide above it. You can see how it changes, so double tap on it if you want to further customize it. So here you can find these motions such as jitter, 3D camera, orbit, camera FX, so you can customize their direction and how they move basically. So try them out with all of them, but you need to purchase the premium enable to do this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.